we mix with onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, and salt. And mix it well. And add some water. Make a little ball like this. Butter. Cheddar cheese. We are going to put some cheddar cheese on top of this. Hi guys, so today we're going to make Pavlova dessert, and all we gotta need is some crushed meringue and vanilla yogurt mixed with whipped cream, and raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, or any kind of berries you want. And we're going to use this glass to make the dessert in. Okay, so first we're gonna add a bit of this meringue in the glass, and then add some of the whipped cream. And put the berries on top of it. And do the same, repeat the same process again. Okay, so now we're done and it's time for tasting.
Yay!
Okay, so honey, here you can try one of those.
Wow, it tastes very good. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye!